Okay, so I've had a lot of people ask me what I do for at work. Well, I just decided to make a video to show it everyone. So, I drive a garbage truck every day at work. And it's kind of a nice little job, you know? You just sit here and pick up cans all day. So, you'll hear me tell you how you gotta learn to adapt and overcome obstacles in your life. So, you know, I can't use my hands very well, and on this joystick here, there's this little tiny lever. Well, that's hard for me to use with my fingers. So, what I do is I use the band on my watch to hit that little lever. That's all I do. And then I have the can, and I can dump it. Alright, that's all. Have a good day.